Everyone thinks the best-selling waterproof truck bed cover is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Sailnovo Cargo Bag. First up is the Sailnovo Truck Bed Cargo Bag. This heavy-duty waterproof cargo bag caught my attention with its impressive storage capacity of 26 cubic feet and a price of around $78.37. If you want a reliable option for protecting your gear from the elements, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Sailnovo is made from high-quality PVC material, which means it's designed to withstand rain, snow, and even UV rays. The true waterproof zippers and Velcro flap design ensure that everything inside stays dry, regardless of the weather. Plus, it features 6 adjustable bungee cords for a secure fit in any truck bed. You really can load up to 6 26-inch suitcases or multiple tents without worrying about space or water damage. And with over 100 sales just in the past month, it's clear that many people are recognizing its value. Now, some people complained about the fact that it can be a bit tricky to install if you're doing it solo. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the setup becomes much easier, especially if you load it in the truck bed first. It's a minor inconvenience for the peace of mind it provides. This is perfect for you if you often go on road trips or camping. Skip this one if you need a hardshell cover, as this bag's flexibility might not meet your needs. At this price point, it really delivers on value. Now, if the installation concern bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AlltoAuto Cargo Bag Plus. Next up is the AlltoAuto Truck Bed Cargo Bag Plus. Priced at $126.41, this option offers a larger capacity of 38 cubic feet and is made from 100% waterproof heavy-duty PVC. If you're looking for a spacious and durable solution, this one's definitely worth checking out. Why does this matter? Its jumbo size means you can fit at least 5 26-inch suitcases and multiple tents, making it ideal for big trips. Plus, the installation is a breeze with 4 stretch bungee cords, ensuring it stays put no matter how bumpy the road gets. With 50+ units sold recently, it's clearly a trusted choice. However, some users mentioned concerns about the zippers being a bit stiff. But honestly, after a few uses, the zippers tend to loosen up and operate smoothly. It's a small trade-off for the durability and peace of mind you get from this bag. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel with a lot of gear. Skip this if you're looking for something compact, as it could be overkill for smaller needs. Overall, for the space and waterproofing, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance between price and performance. Product number 3, Sailnovo Larger Cargo Bag. Now let's talk about another Sailnovo offering their 38 cubic FT cargo bag. Coming in at $113.76, it's larger than the first one we looked at. If you need even more space without sacrificing quality, this might be the one for you. What's the big deal? This bag still retains the high-quality PVC construction and true waterproof zippers, ensuring that whatever you pack stays dry. With a size of 59x48x23, it can easily accommodate 8 suitcases or multiple sleeping bags, making it perfect for larger families or groups. The installation is simple with 4 adjustable bungee cords, and the multiple zipper openings make accessing your items easy. I mean, it's really impressive to see how many people have bought this in such a short time. However, a few users did mention that it can be a bit heavy when fully loaded. Here's the thing though, if you're loading up for a trip, you're likely bringing a lot of gear anyway, so the weight might not be a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you often travel in groups or have lots of gear to haul. Skip this if you don't need that much space, as it could be overkill. But for the size and durability, it's a fantastic value. If you're looking for something a bit different, the next product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Outanding Go Waterproof Cargo Bag. Next, we have the Outanding Go Waterproof Cargo Bag, priced at $111.24. This bag is designed with families in mind and offers 26 cubic feet of storage. If you're looking for something that can keep your gear organized and dry, this is worth your time. So here's what makes it special. The Outanding Go bag features a heavy-duty PVC construction with reinforced waterproof stitching. This means it can withstand the rigors of family travel, whether you're going on road trips or camping. The bag's dual openings allow easy access to your items, even if you're loading it up by yourself. It's designed for versatility, so whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or hauling sports equipment, it's got you covered. Plus, with 50+ sales in the last month, it's gaining traction among users. One downside is that some users found the zippers to be less durable over time. But honestly, if you treat it well and avoid overstuffing, it should last a good while. It's a minor issue considering the value it provides for family adventures. This is perfect for you if you're a family who loves to travel. Skip this if you're looking for a premium hardshell option, as this bag won't fit that need. But for the price and capacity, it's a great find. Now, if you're after something really tough, the next product is definitely worth considering. Product number 5, Renegade Truck Bed Cargo Cover. Last but not least is the Renegade Truck Bed Cargo Cover. This heavy-duty tarp is priced at just $36.24. If you need a tough, reliable cover without breaking the bank, this one is for you. Why does this matter? The Renegade cover is made from industrial-grade polypropylene that's 6x stronger than standard tarps. It's lightweight and flexible, making it easy to handle, and its waterproof design ensures your gear stays dry. Plus, with its large 8x6 FT size, it's perfect for bigger hauls, and it's gaining popularity with 50+ purchases recently. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't have as secure of a fit compared to the cargo bags. Here's the thing, if you're hauling larger, more robust items, the Renegade is built for that purpose, and you'll find it delivers on performance. This is perfect for you if you need a durable cover for heavy-duty loads. Skip this if you want a more fitted cargo solution, as it might not meet your needs. But for the price, it's an excellent option for those who need strength without a hefty price tag. So to wrap it up, we've reviewed the Sailnovo cargo bag, the AlltoAuto cargo bag plus, the larger Sailnovo bag, the Outanding Go waterproof cargo bag, and the Renegade truck bed cargo cover. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all serve the essential purpose of keeping your gear dry and secure. Depending on your needs, whether it's size, ease of installation, or sheer durability, one of these options will surely meet your truck bed cover needs. Well, thanks for tuning in.